Hey guys, welcome back to Break Stand Garage. Today, just kind of tinkering on the 89 Corvette. Some of you might have seen she's back together, looking better than ever. As always with me, nothing's perfect, but I'm gonna get it out, give her a nice clean, but also do something kind of interesting. I'm gonna, right now the mufflers are way too loud. I have the, there's dual 3-inch inlet. It's got the 3-inch inlet on each muffler, and then the outlets, I think it's 4 2 1/4. And that's just like rowdy. It's dual 2.5 from the headers back. But then because I'm using the mufflers from the turbo setup, it goes back up right at the rear axle to dual 3s. And there's so much drone. I have Flowmaster Flow FXs on there. When I look down in there, there's not much perforation for noise to escape into. Plus, it's pretty big chamber. So I picked up a set of, actually I was idling at a red light, and this kid pulls up next to me with his buddy, and he's like, "Hey, you want a set of mufflers for that thing?" I'm like, "What do you got?" He's like, "Borlas." I'm like, all right, got my attention. So I followed him back to his place. I picked him up for $50. I mean, I didn't have to dick or anything. The kid was like, "Hey, $50. I'm like, all right, sounds good. Can't argue with that. So I'm gonna try and get these stainless Borlas. And these things, you look them up new, they're a little different these days. They got square tips on them, but you can tell that they're the genuine Borlas that you can buy. They're like almost $1,700 online, and I just think it's crazy. So I might as well keep them. So these are what I'm gonna put on it. You see there's a little dent on this corner, no big deal. This pipe over here is a little mangled, but I tried straightening it out. I think I'll get it to work. But for $50, I mean, it's a good deal. I mean, the kid was nice. He came straight out and said, $50. All right, well, I hemmed and hawed because I wasn't sure if I wanted to use them, but if you can see down in there, they do neck right down. But it's also funny because, like, these are Borla. I mean, this is exactly what the Borlas come with. You know, decent welds up there and stuff. But there's, like, a little bit of, like, welding slat, like, leftover shit in there with some wire. But there's a lot more perforation in there. And I think reducing the size of the exhaust is going to help with the drone. So I'm going to use that stuff to get those to work. I get a welder and some clamps and stuff, and I'll show you what I got. And we'll fire it up, and you can hear it now and hear it after. We'll compare. As you can see, she's pretty rowdy. I don't know if the sound cut out much because the speaker on my phone, the microphone might have been cutting out. It might have been more than it could handle, but I'm gonna get those off and see what I can do to get these on here with the limited pieces of pipes that I've just randomly kicking around. All right, well, there's the old exhaust. A lot more beefier than this one, but I think that's just overkill. But both stainless steel, 3-inch to dual 2 1/4, dual 2 1/4 to that's 2 1/4, and outlets like 2 3/4. I still haven't bought a Sawzall, so I hit that with a handsaw, and that was not fun. But I bet that would be really loud. Not even gonna bother starting it though. Quick little check-in. This is it so far. I'm hoping I got all the angles looking pretty good. Everything, the mufflers are pretty much level. Same gap on each side. Things are measuring pretty good. It's kind of hard to see. I'm hoping I like this look. But I'm pretty pumped because I think this is gonna be a lot quieter than what I had before. I'll bring you in here, kind of show you what I got going on. I have to find a way to connect up there, probably use a little L bracket. Got everything welded up semi-ish nicely. Over here, it's all just kind of supported right now with jacks or jack stands. And my bumper kind of melted a little bit over there from the 4-inch turbo pipe. She was running hot. Now I just gotta build, you know, 290s here to get to this muffler without nudging this, because I did all the measurements and it's pretty good right now. So yeah, just bear with me. I'll see you in a few minutes and we'll see what this thing sounds like. All right guys, so got the mufflers on. I think it sounds a lot better. It's quieter, it's not as loud. Obviously, it was the point of it, but you know, it has that, you know, nice crisp V8 sound still. But I'll show you what it looks like from outside the car and then fire it up for you. So here's what it looks like. Obviously, I need to clean my car really good. I think I might have to reorient this one a little bit, but looks very similar to before, but sounds a lot better. Right now, my buddy has my draggy, so I'm gonna pick that up next time I go down to New Hampshire and do a probably a 1/8 mile, maybe a 1/4 mile run. I'm really curious to see what it will do because it's gonna be slower than it was without the turbo, but I think my 60-foot, possibly my 1/8 mile time, maybe will be a lot better. But next weekend's autocross. I'm gonna get a lot of video on that. Got the GoPro back up and running. So we'll see you next week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.